This is all my Thomas collection. First we start off with a take and play Thomas, then a broken Thomas, then I've got a take on Thomas, then two Edwards. I've got original Edward that's taken on. I don't have take and play yet. I've got metallic Edward that doesn't have no tender. I've got an old Henry, the real Henry that's taken on. I've got talking Gordon. I've got take and play James, take on Percy, take on Toby, take on Emily, take on Douglas, who I don't know what Donald is. I've got take on Oliver, that's magneted, well I don't know the other one. I've got Bill and Ben, take and play. Renee's and Scarlowy, that is take on and take and play. It's a handle take and play, actually. That one, Duncan is, Renee is he's taken on, and it goes on to Peter, Sam, taken on Duncan, taken on Freddie, taken on Stepney, taken on Mighty Mac. There's Mighty, that's Mac, and I've got Stanley, Billy, Harvey, Squaw, look, from take and play. Murdoch, that doesn't have Nintendo, what he does is missing. And I've got Arthur, that's got I've got Madge, Mavis, the Diesel, and Ellie the Diesel, I don't know bar. I've done the Diesel, I don't know where Dart is. I've got Salty, I've got Rosie, I've got a funny Percy that's looking down, and Thomas was looking down, and James was looking down. I've got Rosie, and I've got James looking ahead. I've got Victor from Take and Play, and I've got Rocky from Take-a-thon, and Annie Clever from Take-a-thon, Flora from Take and Play that came with Toby. I've got two Tommy Barties. Not quite my I've got Tommy one. I've got Spencer and Molly, well they don't have tenders as well, they're lost. They do have tenders. I've got a birthday truck, and I've got a jet engine. And I've got new engines, that's Ferdinand, Bash and Kevin. Well, Ferdinand doesn't have a tender, what's lost one, he does have a tender. And I've got, going on to the good truck, also the good trucks. There's a little flatbed, big flatbed, and the musical carriage, and I've got Soda Museum carriage, and the library, the Soda Library truck, and Brendan Bay Shopping Co truck, and I've got the Trollton trucks that are giggling Trollton trucks so they don't work. I've got the tanks, and I've got I've got Toad, and then I've got just a couple of them there, and I've got this one, these ones are the Mega Blocks one, a funny looking Thomas, I've got Henry Wall, half people missing. I've got a fire truck that I've got from somewhere like a science man. I've got a wind up James. Wind him up.
it doesn't work.
It doesn't work. I've got a pullback engine. Okay.
It doesn't work.
What's that? And I've got just a barrel truck that came with something. I've got a Microblox Gordon Thomas's with Gordon's Tinderwick. I don't know if it's on. I know oil barrel. An oil truck. I've got a piece of Lego, and I've got a hook of Lego, and I've got a cone of Lego. I've got an elephant. Mavis is one railway card and a buffer. I've got supports. I've got this Trackmaster set with the stone that comes with, where it hasn't got the package and it had prop. I don't know what it is, and it came with the prop, but it's soda. I don't know what that's. Grain and Hayco. And then I've got my diesel lineup. I've got all of these ones. I've got a talking one.
I can beat a Stevie any day. See you later. I'm Diesel. I'm a really useful engine too. I can beat a Stevie any day. See you later. I'm Diesel. I'm a really useful engine too.
And I've got these original diesel, Microblox diesel, well, this stone is missing his little thingy. And I've got the racing down the rails diesel. It's got wheels instead of wheels. Oopsie daisy. I've got flatbed here. I've got towels. I've got
Bailey, carry on.
I've got a Take and Play Charlie. I've got a piece of truck that's got mail. I've got the instructions to do my fire truck. My truck. Two things that are like Lego, well they're not Lego. I've got Microblox Thomas that goes on some work, but Emily's Tinderwick doesn't have grills. It's Microblox, and these bits come off. It's too hard. I've got my animal collection that I've got Annie, Carabao, Wilbert. Guess what one it's actually Wilbert, Cody and Bum Bum. She has a nice face.
Can you show me who you mean by Coldy and Bum Bum?
That one's Cody and that one's Bum Bum.
Oh,
And I've got Dylan the special visitor, and Thomas. I've got a little walkie-talkie. It changes different pictures, screens. I've got a wooden building block that came from my daddy's house. It's something from the hospital. It can go like that. I've got my wooden collection. I've got Mavis, a flatbed truck, and I've got the red train, Weddy the red engine. I just called it like that. Hello, microphone. Put it back. And last of all, I've got my Funny Trackmaster Thomas. And I've got some Trackmaster Track. Thomas at the farm. Chunky person. And I've got this little pocket thing. I've got this. And I've got this funny track. And I've got a shoebox that's got my pencils in.
And he's also got lots and lots and lots of nearly all the wooden engines and all the wooden track. There's only a little tiny piece of his wooden track he's got. And he's got all his take and play track. And he's got loads more. And there's some more things over there. There's the Misty Island set. His Thomas carry case. And he's got loads more. He's got a big blue thing. He's got a big wooden ottoman. And upstairs in his bedroom, underneath his bed, he's got a massive, great big wooden train set made up. This has been Bailey John, and he's been telling about all his minor collection he's got of engines.
And this one is this bit.
Remix version of Thomas the Tank.